Oh, I got it. We good?
What did you throw out that
A grenade?
time? Well, I mean, that probably wasn't a good idea, but we can land now.
Right. Oh, man, I'm really glad we made it out of there alive. I was actually really scared for a minute.
Kind of iffy there for a little bit.
I was
Yep.
freaking. Courtney, are you okay?
You don't look so good. I was just walking and out of nowhere, an apple fell from the sky and just hit me in the head.
Oh, you should get that checked out. Yeah, that's weird. That doesn't happen every day. Oh. Mackenzie, are you okay?
I was walking along and out of nowhere, a banana flew out of the sky and hit me in the shoulder. Oh god.
Oh,
That doesn't just happen.
you should talk to Courtney about that. Bananas don't just